Affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products. Okay, it's very simple, very easy. First of all, you want to head over to a website called Clickbank. Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is a free affiliate marketing website where you can register for free, and then you enter your details, your payment details, your postal addresses. The first two payment will be sent after you generate your commission, which is going to be a threshold. And once you reach that threshold, you will be getting a paycheck straight to your address to confirm your address. The first two payment is a paycheck. After that, you could go into your setting and start getting paid directly into your bank account, electronic payment. So once you head over to Clickbank, you want to come here and you're going to find all these categories. Then they have subcategories as well. Now you can choose different type of products. You could go into different kind of niches, but I normally recommend choosing anything related to e-business, e-marketing, and okay, e-business, e-marketing, and health and fitness. All right, so it could be anything within health and fitness. It could be beauty, it could be dental health, it could be diet and weight loss, anything like that. Okay, and the reason I choose these two categories because this is where the money is. Okay, nearly everyone is interested in making money, and most people have weight loss issues. Okay, so they're looking for diet solutions. So if you choose any of these products, most likely you are going to generate commissions if you're driving quality traffic, targeted traffic, and unique traffic. What do I mean by unique? Unique means a visitor has not seen that page or not seen anything related to that. If you're driving traffic from a place where people have seen this offer many times, or they have seen related offers many times, most likely you're not going to generate a sale. So you have to come up with unique traffic. Okay, so let's just choose a product from e-business, e-marketing, and let's go to affiliate marketing. So when you come here, Clickbank is going to spill out all these products for you. Okay, these are so many products. Now the good part is that you don't have to worry about the payment. Your job is to market the product, drive traffic. Every time you generate a sale, you're going to see the commission in your dashboard and you're going to get paid after the 60-day refund period. And these are digital products, which means as soon as the customer purchases the product, they're going to receive their login details straight into their inbox, and they don't have to wait for any kind of shipment or posting, etc. Okay, it's not a physical product, it's a digital product, so you just have to watch the training videos or you get a PDF with checklists, etc. Okay, you can promote a physical product. Clickbank has started to do physical products as well. All right, so if you go into the health and fitness niche, you can start promoting physical products. Okay, but I'm going to stick to the digital products. So if you scroll down, you can sort the results out in different ways. I'm just going to leave it as it is. I could see this first product. Okay, it's going to pay me $28.60 when anyone purchases this product through my link. All right, so let me explain these couple of things that you can see here. The first thing is gravity score. Gravity score is a number that Clickbank provides relating to how many successful affiliates and partners have promoted this product in the last 30 days and how many of them got paid. All right, anything above 20 is good. Below 20 just basically means that no one's making money with it. Okay, now there could be a different reason for having a product below 20. It could be because not people are making money, people are not just promoting it. Okay, so sometime you can crush it with a product that has a gravity score below 1, below 5, below 10, just because it's a very good product but no one's promoting it, so there's no competition. Okay, so just because there's a low gravity score doesn't mean that you're not going to make any money. But we just want to stay on the safe side. All right, so basically if there's a gravity score below 20, there could be a reason people are not promoting the product because it's not a good product or it's an out-of-date product. But at the same time, it could be a low gravity score because thousands of affiliates are promoting it but it's not converting. So there is a big risk, all right? So we want to stay on the safe side. So we want to promote something that's above 20. So we know there are some affiliates promoting it and they are making money. So the gravity score number, the higher number means there's money to be made, all right? And there's competition. Now, you don't want to jump into competition, because when there's a lot of competition, where it means that there's money to be made, at the same time, it's hard to promote a product and make money, because there are thousands of people promoting that same product, and you're not you're not going to stand out unless you come up with a creative mind, stand outside the box, and come up with unique quality traffic. Okay, so there's a downside to competition and a good side. The good side is when there's competition, that means there's money to be made, because that may why is there competition? That means people are making money. They're just trying to promote this product because there's money to be made. The downside is it's quite challenging to make money with a product that there's so much competition compared to a product where no one's promoting it. All right. So 56 is a good gravity score. All right. If you go into the health niche, you're going to see some gravity scores above 500. All right. That's too much competition. In that case, you might just want to do PPC traffic, which is Google traffic, because that's unique traffic. If you're going to do solo ad traffic or YouTube traffic, you're just going to drive people who have already seen this over probably 10 times and they're not going to buy your product. Okay, now if you want to promote this product, okay, you can see that initial conversion rate is $4. Future rebill is a $30.80, which means you promote this once. If they buy the subscription, you're going to continue to get paid off $30.80 every single month without lifting a finger, okay, until they stay as a customer. So if I want to promote this product, I'm just going to click on this promote button. I'm going to enter my nickname, which is my username. I'm going to scroll down, and Clickbank is going to give me this long link. Okay, now this is where I'm going to drive my people. So I'm going to promote this long link. Now, if I start promoting this directly onto different platforms, I'm going to get banned. All right, this is an affiliate link and it's a very long, ugly link that Clickbank has provided me. So you want to head over to our website called tinyurl. Okay. So if you go to our website, something like this here, tinyurl.com, you could come to our website here, okay, and you could just paste it in here and make it short. Okay, so that's how simple it is. Once I got my product, I need to create a landing page. Now the question is, why can't I just drive traffic directly to this page? You can, but there's a couple of problems. Number one, you're not creating a business. If this product goes down or Clickbank goes down, you're back to zero. All right. Number two, you will get banned from most of the places if you drive direct traffic. If you create a mini page, drive traffic to that page, and then get people into this, you will make a lot more money compared to just driving direct traffic. Okay, so we're going to create a mini page just like this. So you're basically driving traffic to a page just like this. Okay, and you're going to get people to enter the email address, so they're going to be your subscribers, relating and showing interest in making money online or affiliate marketing. And then you're going to drive traffic, redirect people to the affiliate offer. This way you're going to make more money. Okay, it's a simple basic concept and a process that you need to follow. All right, now how do you create a page like this? You could do it yourself. You could use a tool or a software, which I use. Okay, there's going to be all my links are going to be in my description box below this video. You could check it out. Okay, I use a software called ClickFunnels. Okay, comes with a free 14-day trial. They give you done for you templates that you can use. All right, so you could use that software to create your landing pages similar to this one. All right, this is a very good landing page. It has a heading, it has an arrow pointing, telling the person what he needs to do. He enters his email, he's redirected to the page, then he will be receiving emails, okay, through my autoresponder account, which is an autopilot money machine. So you write these emails once, and then these people get emails on a daily basis. It depends on how many emails you have prepared for this person to receive. Okay, once you have set it up, these two things, which is the landing page and your autoresponder, and for the autoresponder you could go to a website called Aweber. Okay, it comes with a free 13-day trial. All right, so if you come here to Aweber, okay, you can create your free account, and I have complete tutorials on Aweber how this works, okay, and how you can basically go ahead, create your account, write your emails, okay, and then set everything up so you can start promoting your product on completely autopilot, okay. Now the last part, which is traffic. Traffic is very, very important. Traffic is like the fuel of the car. Okay, if you don't have fuel, you can't drive the car. The same way, traffic is very, very, very important. If you don't know how to drive traffic, you can't do anything, okay? So I'm going to give you one traffic source in this video, okay? And if you want to learn more about Clickbank, especially and affiliate marketing, okay? Traffic. This is a traffic source called Traffic for Me, okay? You could go to Google and just type in Traffic for Me. It's one of the great traffic sources out there, okay? I have purchased thousands and thousands of clicks from this traffic, okay? I know one affiliate who's generating over 70k a month. That's right. You let me say that again. 70k, 70k per month with affiliate commissions using this traffic source. Now he's generating all that money from another affiliate network, not from Clickbank, okay? Another affiliate network, and he's using this traffic source combining with another traffic network that I've already discussed in my previous videos so many times, okay? Now this traffic source is a great traffic source, all right? Premium biz up, make money online, affordable, as low as 59 cents per click. You could see, and you could start buying traffic from this traffic network, okay?